Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about the WhatsApp automation for small businesses. Yes, you're tired in messaging manually, or for example, you can automate those messages. Like for example, if customers are asking some questions or any they want to book an appointment with you, we can automate with the WhatsApp AI agents. So these agents can be built on N8N. I'll show you how these agents are work, and let's jump into that. This is N8N. Actually, so I'll show you two agents: WhatsApp customer care agent and WhatsApp sales agent. Okay, this is the WhatsApp customer care agent. Like it is having WhatsApp trigger as a Twilio trigger and send message through WhatsApp by the Twilio trigger. Okay, Twilio is the platform where you can buy the number for the WhatsApp and link with the WhatsApp API. Now, this one is the chart models. You can use any chart model like Gemini, Anthropic, Cloud, and OpenAI. So this is the mainly brain of the AI agent, and we can give the instructions. For example, you can I'll show you that we can give the instructions to the AI agent. So what it has to do and how it has to perform the tasks. So, and so this is a simple memory, like so it will remember the charts what it is going by. For example, if I see here, I gave the ID, so whenever that the charts initiated from that ID, so it will have the memory of 220 transactions or 20 messages. It can take the context of every message and it will reply according to that. So a agent normally understands by seeing the previous messages. And this is the inventory. So what we gave, we can give it in the Google Sheets, like inventory and company info and price list. Now we'll see how this agent replies. For example, if I go into WhatsApp. Okay, so I'll see this is a agent. I chatted with the agent many times. I'll show you in live. Like for example, I say hello. Yeah, it will respond according to the message as a human. Yeah, see. Hi, welcome to Sri Vasavi Flowers. How can I help you today? This is how it will reply. And for example, I want to know the best store hours. Okay, this is just a customer care agent. It will answers what are the questions you have uh, with the what are the questions you have regarding that store. So for example, see for store hours, it gave the store hours. Then I'll ask the what are the price of any flower. You can say roses. Okay, what are the price of roses? It will go to the price list and it will grab the price for us, like roses are 6.99 150 grams, like that you can customize as according to your stores what you want to answer to your customers. Like for example, if I say, so is roses are available. Yeah, is roses are available. It will go to the inventory now and it will say yes or no, like whatever information we have give. Yeah, see, yes, roses are available in red, yellow, and orange colors. You like me to check prices or quantities? It's asking the question, next question also. It's just suggesting the next question also. Okay. Okay, so this is about the only customer care agents. Next, we'll go to the how. Sorry. Okay, so I'll save it and I'll go to home. And this is the WhatsApp sales agent. I built this sales agent for a small business. Like he is maintaining some store, not exactly the store. He's maintaining a small storage and is importing from the what we call items from India or somewhere else, and he is playing with the WhatsApp. I built this one for him. For example, so this is actually I show you with the Twilio, right? Twilio, we can directly grab the, and we can have WhatsApp trigger also directly. This node is available for the Nathan. With this WhatsApp trigger directly, we can trigger the message the same way. It will, for example, if you have your own number, we can link that number here. But the thing is, the WhatsApp business number is different, and WhatsApp personal number is different, and WhatsApp API is different. For example, if you buy the number from the store, so you can integrate that number like SIM card or something, so you can integrate that number as a business API. We cannot use that number to business or the personal number. It should be a unique number for you. Okay, so then we'll see this agent. So the same agent structure is having, we'll see the agent how it responds. For example, I'll change the agent like, yeah, this one is the agent. Okay, so I'll say hello. I already chatted more times. I'll say hello. Okay, so then it has to send me the first message like welcome Q form or looking for any order or prices. Just I don't know what items they have. So what items you have to order? Okay, okay. You whatever you have to order. Okay, so then here why I typed this message is I put a small like very small inventory what he is maintaining. But if you have a big catalog or more number of items, so you can prepare a catalog and you can make it as a link or Google Form link or anything. You can make agent to call that link and send you that link for you. For example, you can go through that link and you can see the items. But here it's only one, two, three. Some items are there. It can pop up as a message. Okay, so then I'll I'll make it order my life easy. I'll copy, and I want to order. Okay, paste, and I'll say this one is 1 LB, and this one is sorry 1 LB. Okay. Yeah, otherwise if you don't give the quantities, again it will ask the quantities. So just I'm giving all in one go. Yes, now great choices. Before you proceed, every order could be placed provided with us full name, phone number, and email address. Email address is optional. I give like Anil botta, and phone number is 365 77 336. Okay, so just I'll give it's enough. Yeah, here, yeah, thanks Anil Botta, and you provided the phone number and no email ID. That's correct. I'll say yes. Okay, so now it will prepare the order and it will give thanks for confirming. And it's once again, it is confirming the order like check per LB, and this one is, and would like to more items. Yeah, we can, it's asking, it's upselling the things also. So if you want to add more items, you can add. Yeah, I say finalize the order. Okay, okay, finalize the order. Then now it finalizes the order and send us the message. Yeah, see, thanks Anil for your order confirmed, and the process of order will be back. Like this is the confirmation message, and with the totals, it will send to the customer. And you can, I mean, we can loop the human being also here. Like it will send to the store owner also a message, and he can go here, and he can update the delivery and or pickup details on this sheet, because in this sheet it will store all these order items in the Google sheet already. You can go there and you can edit that Google sheet, and you can update the pickup details and the delivery details. Or else then if you once you updated that one again going to the agent, and it will construct the message, and it will confirm the order and pickup date and everything, and it will send to the customers. This is what a simple sales agent actually, but we can make more complicated one also. Yeah, we can give the best customer experience. I guess you like this video, so please contact me when you want this type of setup. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.